Hello, and welcome to Uncle Bill's Kitchen. Hello everyone, and welcome. Today we are going to show you how to make my moist and delicious chocolate cupcake recipe. First thing we're going to want to do is get that oven preheated to 350 degrees Celsius. And then we're going to put together all of our ingredients and get them ready to be mixed together. You've got flour, sugar, cocoa powder, unsweetened, some baking powder, baking soda, salt. We've got milk, we've got vegetable oil, we've got a couple eggs here, we've made some hot coffee, and we've got some vanilla extract. Of course, our sift for the flour and sugar. First thing we're going to do is take 1 3/4 cup plus 2 tablespoons. That's right, 2 tablespoons of all-purpose flour. And we're going to sift that through our nice little sift here. Make sure there's no lumps or bumps. Perfect. Now we're going to take 2 cups of granulated sugar. We're going to put it through that same sift. Got a couple hard crystals here. I'm going to put those aside. Next up, we've got 2 teaspoons of baking powder, 1 1/2 teaspoons of baking soda, and 1 teaspoon of salt. We're going to set that through the sift here, and then afterwards we're going to take 3/4 cup of natural unsweetened cocoa powder. We're going to sift that as well. Once we've gotten this all sifted, we're going to take our handy dandy mixer over here. We're going to hand mix this today. I'm feeling a little nostalgic. Thought I'd take this out and remind myself how lucky we are to have all the modern conveniences that we do have by putting myself through the pressures of hand stirring. Now once we've gotten this mixed together, we're going to take 1 cup of whole milk and we're going to put that in with our dry ingredients along with 2/3 cup of vegetable oil. Beautiful, and we're going to go ahead and get that. Ooh, yeah, you see how fast that was? You see how quick I am? Kung Fu style. All right, let's mix this up. Oof. Yeah, this is not easy, guys. It gets clumped up in here a little bit. It's a little dry now, but trust me, we're going to moisten this up in a few minutes. First thing we'll do is we'll take 1 of our 2 large eggs, which are at room temperature. It's going to add a little more liquid to our mix. Get it stirred in here, just like so. Let me grab my spatula and get this out. And while I'm doing this, can you guys hit that subscribe button? It's absolutely free. Costs you nothing, but helps our channel out a lot. All right, we're going to take that second egg, mix that in as well. Oh, this is getting much easier. Look at this. I'm keeping this in the video because I want you to see how each step goes. The first was really tight. This is now 2 eggs added in and it's become way looser. Give that another nice mix. Oh, look at that beautiful chocolatey goodness. Can't get that out of box cake. No, no, no. All right, we've got 1 cup of hot coffee. And if you don't like the taste of coffee or you're not a coffee drinker, just use hot water. It'll work just as well. Oh yeah, this is nice. All right, we're loosening up here perfectly. We're going to keep giving this a stir. This is almost looking like milk chocolate here. It's beautiful. All right, add the rest of my coffee. That's 1 cup total. Oh, perfect. Now we're going to add 2 teaspoons of vanilla extract just to give it that beautiful, nice flavor. The aroma. Oh, if you guys could see and smell this. And let me tell you, it's really not that difficult. It's quite easy, actually. I think you guys can see. You can make this beautiful, loose but perfect cupcake batter. Now, I'm going to take my cupcake batter and put it into this cup here. This recipe is going to make approximately 34 to 36 cupcakes. If you want less, just do the math. And while I'm doing the math, make sure to hit that like button if you like what I'm doing here. Don't forget to subscribe. It really helps us out a lot. Appreciate you. Now, listen up, guys. Listen very carefully. You want to fill these only 2/3 of the way up, no more. You're going to be tempted because you've got all this batter. But if you go more than 2/3 of the way up, you're going to have sunken cupcakes. All right, now back to the action. Filling up this last bad boy here, 2/3 of the way up as instructed. And I'm going to take the rest of this and pour it in here. And while I'm doing that, we're going to go over to the oven, place inside at 350 degrees for 18 to 20 minutes or until a toothpick comes out clean. Oh, the smell in the house is so good. Guys, you're going to love this. We're going to take these out. Ooh, hot, 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 hot. Glad I've got these nice oven mitts. All right. Put them over to the side to cool. Now what you're going to want to do is let them cool inside the pan, and then once you can handle them, take them out and let them cool completely. But first, we have to make sure they're done. Take your toothpick, put it in the center of a cupcake, and if it comes out clean like this, you're good to go. Oh yeah! Perfect. If you see there's still some chocolate on there, just pop them back in the oven until it comes out clean. And this is what you have, a beautiful chocolate cupcake. Take some frosting, add it on, take some whipped cream, fill it up. You're gonna love this. Perfect. Thanks for stopping by Uncle Bill's Kitchen. We hope you enjoyed today's episode. To all of you who have been sharing our videos on your social media, thank you so much. It's really helping our channel grow a lot. We appreciate each and every one of you. If you'd like a complete copy of today's recipe, please visit our website at UncleBillsKitchen.com.